What's going on, guys? Richard from Assembled Style here, and today we're going to take a look at 3 body washes by Pete and Pedro. Now, when it comes to shopping for grooming products in general, there are just some things that I just rather buy at a drugstore than having to order online, like shaving cream, toothpaste, shampoo, and body washes. So I took my sweet time trying these out to really get a feel if it's worth making that switch from my good old Spice. Now, full disclosure, Pete and Pedro did send in product for review, but as always, that does not influence my opinion about the products displayed in this video, nor am I being compensated for making this video review. All right, let's get to it. All right, so most body washes in the market have that very synthetic, generic fresh smell, aka fresh out of the shower smell. Now with these, it's more like a signature scent body wash. So let me just go through each one by one. So I'll go with Desperado first, Desperado. This right here is the most masculine out of the 3. When you get a nice lather going, you get hit with that slightly sweet tobacco scent with that punch of rum. I even get a bit of a leathery scent as well. I'm just a big fan of these kind of oriental scents, but to really make you see what I feel when I smell this, it's like you're inside a gentleman's den smoking the finest cigars and having a fine bottle of rum by your side while sitting in a very comfortable, supple leather sofa. Now moving on to Gold, this one is said to be a leathery scent body wash, but I really don't get that with this one. The smell of this one is it's more like a fougere barber scent. Think of that smell when you first step inside a barbershop, or when you get dusted off with that classic talc powder. It reminds me of that with a mix of other powerhouse fragrances. Best way I could describe it. Last but not least is Mint. The name says it all, really. It's a fresh, invigorating, minty smell that is close to a York peppermint patty, but rather than having that minty freshness in your mouth, you feel it all over your man parts. You know when you eat something very minty, and once you breathe in through your mouth, you get that coolness? Well, imagine that all over your body when you step out of a warm shower, especially on your boys. It's like Sub-Zero is just down there just cooling you off. By the way, I thought that movie was fire. I don't know why so many people are hating on it, but hey. Anyways, back to this. All right, so enough about the scents. How does it, compare or perform to my Old Spice body wash? Well, aside from not having much of that synthetic smell, it does seem to lather well. Not as much as an Old Spice, but it does a better job at cleansing without over drying or stripping away that moisture. And that was my biggest takeaway for me for this. Old Spice is very soapy and drying at times, as well as the smell can be a little too strong and synthetic, whereas these weren't as overpowering. I enjoy trying, different fragrances each day, and now, this is something new to me. I'm enjoying trying different scented body washes here, just purely based on my mood, really. Now for the morning, I much prefer to use the Mint because of that minty tingle. Gives me that, that jolt to wake up. It feels so nice after you step out of a warm shower and you experience that coolness all over your body. It's amazing. It's tough choosing between these two because I really enjoy both. But man, I have to give it to Desperado for my number 1 pick. Love this one. But overall, I give this product a thumbs up. I mean, I think it's something worth trying out, especially if you're like me, who just uses, generic Old Spice body wash and want to try something new. I say you should give these a try. And I think they go for about $19 each, which isn't too bad, really. And as well, they also gave me a code to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested in checking, Pete and Pedro body washes, fragrances, or anything, I'll make sure to leave my code and everything linked down below. And yeah, that wraps up today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.